Well, folks, welcome back. Beautiful day out here at the tiny house build. As you can see behind me here, we got a really solid start on the floor joist, and so I'm going to continue that today. Make sure you check out the other videos if you're interested to see how I went from nothing to what you see before you. As I mentioned today, we're going to continue working on this, so I got some blocking to put in. I'm going to have 2 more rows, so I'll have this row here, and then I'll have 1 row here. Reason I'm putting a row here, this will be the 10-foot mark. So if you remember, we're building a 10 by 10 cabin, so that's going to be the very end nailing edge for the interior floor. The extra 2 feet here, so everything from here over is going to be outside of the cabin. It's going to be a walkway. So that's essentially what we're doing here. I got the bug spray doused down. Mosquitoes are heavy today, but can't complain. Beautiful sunny day. So I'm going to stop talking, get down to work, and you guys can follow along. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got all the blocks in. I've got everything nailed up and it's firm and ready to go. Next step is one I've been dreading, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to take that OSB, going to place it on the underside of this. Now this frame is too heavy for me to tilt on edge, or I'd do that. If this was not green lumber, it'd probably be a lot lighter and I could flip it up and put the OSB on the bottom, flip it down, be fine. Because it's heavy, I have got it more or less jacked up on some blocks here, just so I can slide the OSB under this little gap here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to get on my back and put screws into it to hold it, and hope I do a pretty good job of this. But I don't have too high of expectations, so let's see how it goes. Now that really sucked. Actually, that really sucked too. Oh, no. Gosh. Well, there are jobs in life that suck. That's one of them. Anyways, we're almost done, so just going to button up a few things here. As for tomorrow, or whenever I get around to it, I'm going to put some insulation in between the floor joists, then start looking at getting the 3/4 inch plywood floor actually put on those joists. So that was a job, yeah. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and if you have, thank you. And hit up the playlist. I got all kinds of videos dealing with this and all kinds of other projects. So in the meantime, take care, and we'll see you guys all next time.